Admiral washer troubleshooting, simple fixes for common issues. Admiral washer troubleshooting involves checking power supply, inspecting hoses, and verifying water levels. Ensure the machine is level and clean. Admiral washers, known for their reliability, sometimes experience issues that require troubleshooting. Common problems include power supply disruptions, water not filling, or drainage issues. Inspecting the power cord, outlet, and circuit breaker ensures the washer receives electricity. Examine hoses for kinks or blockages and verify water pressure is adequate. Clean the washer drum and filter regularly to prevent buildup that could affect performance. By systematically addressing these factors, many common washer problems can be resolved without professional help. This guide aims to assist in identifying and fixing basic issues to keep your Admiral washer running efficiently. Admiral washer not starting. Having trouble with your Admiral washer not starting can be frustrating. There could be several reasons behind this issue. Let's explore some common problems and solutions to get your washer running again. 1. Power supply check. 2. Door lock problems. Admiral washer water not filling. If your Admiral washer is not filling with water, it can be frustrating. Understanding the possible causes can help. This guide will help you troubleshoot the issue. We will focus on water supply issues and inlet valve troubles. 1. Water supply issues. 2. Inlet valve troubles. Admiral washer not draining. A common issue with Admiral washers is the washer not draining. This problem can disrupt your laundry routine. Several factors could cause this issue. Understanding the root cause will help fix it quickly. 1. Drain hose blockage. 2. Pump malfunction. Admiral washer excessive vibration. Dealing with excessive vibration in your Admiral washer can be frustrating. This issue can cause loud noises, move the washer, and even damage nearby objects. Understanding the root causes of vibration helps in fixing it effectively. Here are the key steps to troubleshoot this problem. 1. Leveling the washer. Suspension rods inspection. Admiral washer water leaks. Water leaks are a common issue with Admiral washers. Identifying the source of the leak can save time and money. There are a few areas to check to resolve this problem. 1. Hose connections. 2. Door seal inspection. Admiral washer strange noises. Does your Admiral washer make strange noises? This problem can be annoying and concerning. Strange noises often indicate underlying issues. Let's explore the most common causes and solutions. 1. Foreign objects. 2. Worn out bearings. Frequently asked questions about Admiral washer. How do I reset my Admiral washer? To reset your Admiral washer, unplug it for 1 minute, then plug it back in. Why is my Admiral washer not draining? A clogged drain hose or faulty pump might cause your Admiral washer not to drain properly. What causes an Admiral washer to stop spinning? An unbalanced load or a faulty lid switch can cause an Admiral washer to stop spinning. How do I fix an Admiral washer leak? Check for loose hoses, damaged seals, or cracked tub components to fix an Admiral washer leak. Why won't my Admiral washer start? A faulty power cord, door lock, or control board might prevent your Admiral washer from starting. Conclusion about Admiral washer. Fixing Admiral washer issues can save time and money. Follow our troubleshooting tips for quick, effective solutions. Regular maintenance keeps your washer running smoothly. Don't forget to consult your manual for specific guidance. A well-maintained washer ensures efficient performance and extends its lifespan.
If you want to know more details, then you can visit hellotroubleshooting.com.